I started my company in the garage of my parents, producing parts on a CNC machining center. It was difficult to keep the machines running because I had to make 12 or 15 hours a day to get the machine running efficiently. I saw the market was changing and the lot sizes are getting smaller. You have to think how you can have the maximum spindle hours each week. And there was no automation system in the market who could automate small series and single parts. So I thought about developing my own system.
Hurco was extremely attracted to BMO's product because we target similar customers. In the high-mix, low-volume manufacturing environment, what you'll typically find is you have highly skilled workers that have to do tasks of loading and unloading the CNC machine. When you introduce a system like BMO automation with the Hurco, you'll find that the operators get to focus on the higher level tasks of running the manufacturing cell, making the decisions to be able to optimize their manufacturing and leave the robot to do the tasks that are not interesting or exciting to the operator.
Yeah, we make aluminum housings, small ones to really large ones. To find people who are qualified for the job is really hard at this time. So it makes a logic sense to buy robots. We choose BMO robots because the user interface is really easy, just like the Hurco ones. So you just need to put a sub-program in before and at the end, and it runs. It's really easy.
The control is Windows-based, simple to use, just like the Hurco control. So we work with BMO to try to achieve as close as we can a plug-and-play system between the Hurco and the BMO automation system. This really is the key thing for our customers, is that it's fully integrated and guaranteed to run right out of the box.
Now in the morning you can program a job and then at night it runs and the next day it's done. It's a relief for us because usually we had to run 3 machines and now the robot does it for us. So the productivity goes up, stress went down.